Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want to join the Patreon, the spots are limited. Again, we have tier 2 and tier 3, and they are filling up. If you guys want to join, that's great. If not, again, this will open up on my website, and they will be no longer, well, they will be no lower than like $500. I'm telling you guys right now. And then the Patreon's like, I think $20 a month right now, right? So if you guys can either pay $20 now or $500 later, right, for a one-time fee. But again, spots are filling up quick on the last two tiers. Again, I did cap them. After that gets filled up, I'm not accepting anybody else. But let's get started to the video. We did hit my target 508 SPY, where I was looking for 508, 507. We did hit that yesterday. We actually dropped pretty low, a lot lower, not a lot lower than I thought, right? It was a target. I just didn't think we were gonna get there that quickly. But we did hit those targets. As of right now, I'm debating on which side we're actually looking for, because we do have in 2 hours, we're actually going to be closing a 4-hour bull trigger, right? I think with news from China yesterday and yesterday's big drop, I think we do recover back to like a 509, and then more than likely end up probably dropping back, right? So we either do something like this and then drop down to 505, or you push a little bit higher towards 513 SPX and then come all the way back down to 506. Either way, I'm still pretty bearish here. You're on a nice little major trend here, right there, right? So you're on a nice little major trend. I probably could run a new set of channels, because on the 4 hour, because it does look like you're pretty consistent, right? So I do think you do push either a retest back here at 509 and drop back, or you go all the way up to 513 max and then you drop. But I do not think that you have a full recovery from here. The last time, unless you actually the last time you closed the bull trigger right there, right? You went pretty hard for a little bit. So let me see. Yeah, the bull triggers are pretty gnarly, right? Bull trigger right here, right? 416 all the way to basically 450, right? Bull trigger. Yeah, bull trigger, you went at 434, drop, and then you shot up. Yeah, it still would have made money. Right, bull trigger, still dropped. Bull trigger, you pushed up. And these are perfect triggers on the daily, so bull trigger pushed, bull trigger. Yeah, I can't deny this, honestly. I think if you do close a bull trigger on the daily, right, I do think you can recover some. So let me see, where are we? The most I can probably see is, whoops. Yeah, the most recovery that I could probably see is somewhere around, where's that 618? I can't see it. There we go. Oh, is it because of the percentages? That's why I'm like, where's my fib? Percentages. Levels, percent. Ew, no wonder. I was like, what is that? There we go. Yeah, the most that I can see this recovery to is like a 518 before another big drop. But again, if that daily closes, right, yeah, it's kind of hard to not to stay bearish if that daily closes, at least shorter term, right? But I think this is probably what's going to happen. Something like this, you could, 518 would take us back up to like here. So 518 would push us here, 518. Back to here, probably like an inverse head and shoulders and pop, or a double top and draw. Okay, yeah, I don't know. Until that daily trigger closes, I'm still overall I'm still really fucking bearish, right? So again, I do think this is a possibility. If you do give up this whole thing and this candle comes back to under 506, then you're probably headed, even lower. So I can tell you guys exactly where this thing's gonna go to next. Yeah, so if you break this, right, if you come back down and you don't close a 4 hour above this mid-channel trend, you're probably headed towards like a 500 even, I think. Yeah, that sounds good. But today I'm pretty bullish. I think today, because of that massive drop yesterday, I think you should be able to recover something. So at least maybe I'm thinking to like a 509. Overall, I still think lower. But if this closes in 2 hours, yeah, I'm pretty bullish towards the upside, at least to 509, maybe 513 if there's a lot of bull power. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.